Hey guys, Ryan Foley here, Spyglass Property Inspections. As you can tell, we're still following the COVID-19 guidelines of face masks. My gloves just tore, so I got to get some new ones on. But I just want to introduce to you guys that we are now doing sewer scoping. And sewer scoping is great for any home buyer looking to buy a property of any kind, because we are literally scoping the whole entire main drain line to see if there's any roots that are blocking the flow and discharge of the waste, and to see if there's any cracking that is going on in the line. If there is cracking going on in the line, that line needs to be dug out and replaced. And that's not a cheap job. That can go up to as high as $10,000. So guys, if you're looking to add sewer scoping to your home inspections, or just sewer scoping in general in the house that you live in, give us a call. Spyglass Property Inspections. Take care.